Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program of 23rd August. So yesterday this extremely heavy rainfall reported over Himachal Pradesh, eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim and Assam Meghalaya, and very heavy rainfall over Uttarakhand, western parts of Uttar Pradesh, north East Rajasthan, northwest Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, Haryana-Chandigarh Pradesh, and heavy rainfall reported over Punjab, Haryana, eastern parts of Madhya Pradesh, Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Rayalaseema and Tamil Nadu. So these are the realized rainfall. Some of the value I mentioned here. In Himachal Pradesh, 21 centimeter rainfall reported over Bilaspur district, and in Assam Meghalaya, Barpeta reported 22 centimeter, and so on. More details are available on our press release and website. Now, these are the highlights that heavy to very heavy rainfall activity likely to continue over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh during next 2 days, and over Bihar, somewhere in West Bengal and Sikkim and northeastern states during next 3 days. And second point is that subdued rainfall activity likely to continue over South Peninsular India during next 6-7 days, and over Central India after today, that is from tomorrow, for subsequent 5-6 days. Now, if you see the synoptic systems, you will see that monsoon trough runs north of its normal position. Red line shows today's current position, and blue line shows the normal condition of the monsoon trough. And there is a cyclone circulation over northwest Uttar Pradesh, another cyclone circulation over central parts of South Uttar Pradesh, and another over South Gujarat. One north-south trough runs from South Chhattisgarh to common area across Telangana, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu, etc. Under the influence of these synoptic systems, good cloudiness conditions can be visible seen over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, adjoining area of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, and also over northeast, northwest Bay of Bengal, Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, and northern parts of Tamil Nadu. Under the influence of these synoptic systems, you can see that extremely heavy rainfall likely to occur today over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, western parts of Uttar Pradesh, especially southwest Uttar Pradesh, and very heavy rainfall likely over eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. Some possibility of extremely heavy rainfall today likely over Assam, Meghalaya and this sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim region. And heavy rainfall likely over Punjab, Haryana, northeast Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, Nagaland, Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema and Tamil Nadu. So these are the weather warning for day 1. If we see Himachal Pradesh region, so especially southern parts of Himachal Pradesh, including Kangra, Kullu, Mandi, Shimla, Sirmaur, Solan districts likely to receive extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall more than 21 centimeter. Similarly, in Uttarakhand also, this southern parts of Uttarakhand likely to receive extremely heavy rainfall, and in western parts of Uttar Pradesh, especially southwest Uttar Pradesh, this Mathura region likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall. So let us look at some detailed about the district wise warnings for Uttarakhand. You will see that these Dehradun, Tehri, Haridwar, Pauri, Nainital, Champawat, Udham Singh Nagar and Bageshwar likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall today, and Rudraprayag, Chamoli likely to experience very heavy rainfall, and remaining districts including Uttarkasi, Pithoragarh and Moda likely to receive heavy rainfall today. And if we see the weather warning map for Uttar Pradesh, you will see that this Agra and Mathura region likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall. Hathras, Firozabad and this northern parts of Uttar Pradesh including Rampur, Bareilly, Pilibhit, Lakhimpur Kheri, Bahraich and Shravastri likely to experience very heavy rainfall. And the districts adjoining to Haryana and Uttar Pradesh including Saharanpur, Shamli, Muzaffarnagar, Bagput, Meerut and these Gautam Budh Nagar, Aligarh, Sambal, Almora, etc. बदायूं, शाहजहाँपुर, हरदोई, सीतापुर, बाराबंकी, गोंडा, अयोध्या, अम्बेडकर नगर, बस्ती, गोरखपुर, देवरिया, किशनगंज, महाराजगंज, सिद्धार्थनगर, बलरामपुर, etc. likely to experience heavy rainfall. So you can say that Uttar Pradesh likely to get very good amount of rainfall today, that is during next 24 hours. If we see the map of today for Bihar, you will see that West Champaran, East Champaran, Muzaffarpur, Darbhanga and Purnia likely to experience very heavy rainfall, and other districts like Madhubani, Kishanganj, Supaul likely to experience heavy rainfall today. Otherwise, in Bihar, light to moderate rainfall likely to experience, while southern parts of especially Bihar with thunderstorm activity, and north parts of Bihar likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall today. If we see the map of Jharkhand, northeast parts of Jharkhand, including Goda, Sahibganj, Pakor, Dumka, Deoghar, Giridih, Hazaribagh and Bokaro, etc. likely to experience heavy rainfall, and southern parts of Jharkhand likely to experience light to moderate rainfall. And if you see the weather warning map for this Assam region, you will see that western parts of Assam likely to experience very heavy rainfall and isolated extremely heavy rainfall. Similarly, in Meghalaya also this red color is given to West Khasi Hills, East Khasi Hills, and these western parts of Meghalaya likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall. Otherwise, most of the district likely to experience light to moderate rainfall with isolated heavy rainfall. And now, this is weather warning for Sub-Saharan West Bengal, Sikkim. You will see that Jalpaiguri, Alipurdwar, Cooch Behar likely to experience extremely heavy rainfall, and remaining districts of northern parts of SSWB likely to experience heavy rainfall. In Sikkim also, day 1 orange warning is given because of very heavy rainfall activity, and tomorrow this red color is given for extremely heavy rainfall. After 2 days, there is a likely possibility of reduction of rainfall over Sikkim region. Now, let us see the weather warning for day 2. Overall, you will see that Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall. Remaining districts shown by yellow color, including western parts of Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Gangetic, West Bengal, Odisha and Nagaland likely to experience heavy rainfall. Otherwise, most parts of the country likely to experience light rainfall in some pockets mainly, or in isolated pockets moderate rainfall. So there is no significant weather warning has been issued for the rest parts of the country. Similarly, further reduction is expected over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand from day 3. Accordingly, heavy rainfall is likely to experience from day 3 over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, and very heavy rainfall over Bihar, Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, and heavy rainfall also likely over Jharkhand, Gangetic, West Bengal, Odisha, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. If we see the day 4 warning, further reduction is expected over most parts of the country in rainfall. However, heavy rainfall is expected over Bihar, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, and very heavy rainfall over Assam and Meghalaya region. Otherwise, most parts of the country are likely to experience light rainfall activity. And same condition is in day 5 with further reduction. Only heavy rainfall is expected over northeastern states including Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. Accordingly, on day-to-day basis, we are mentioning about the possible impacts. You can refer our website for more details. And this is all about today's weather briefing. We will discuss again with updated information tomorrow morning and thereafter in noon. So, thank you and Jai Hind.